Welcome to our channel. Having Zoom connection or audio problems? Follow these troubleshooting steps to resolve issues and join meetings successfully. Step 1. Check your internet connection speed. Run a speed test to ensure minimum 1.5 Mbps for video calls. Step 2. Close unnecessary applications and browser tabs. Free up bandwidth and system resources for better Zoom performance. Step 3. Update Zoom to the latest version. Click your profile picture, select Check for updates, and install available updates. Step 4. Test audio settings before joining meetings. Go to Settings, Audio, and use Test Speaker and Microphone options. Step 5. Check firewall and security settings. Ensure Zoom is allowed through Windows Firewall or Mac security settings. Step 6. Try joining with computer audio first. If phone audio fails, select Join with computer audio as alternative. Step 7. Disable HD video if connection is unstable. Go to Settings, Video, and uncheck Enable HD to reduce bandwidth usage. Step 8. Reinstall Zoom if problems persist. Completely uninstall Zoom, restart your computer, then install latest version from zoom.us. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.